You ever feel like your debt is your roommate? It eats your paycheck, keeps you up at night, and never pays rent. But here's the scary part. Most of us are the ones who invited it in. Today, we're breaking down 10 everyday habits that are secretly keeping you broke and how to kick them out of your life for good. Welcome back to From Broke to Bank, where we make money make sense. No jargon, no hype, just real talk. If you don't know where your money's going, it'll leave without saying goodbye. Seriously, track every dollar for 30 days. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or even pen and paper. Awareness is everything. Paying the minimum is like trying to dig out of a hole with a spoon. Interest rates on credit cards are brutal, some over 25%. Pay extra when you can and prioritize your highest interest debts first. Got a raise? Nice. But if your spending goes up too, you'll stay broke, just at a fancier Starbucks. Keep your lifestyle steady and let your income upgrades go towards savings and debt payoff. Had a bad day? Boom, Amazon Prime. Feeling lonely? Add to cart. Fix the emotion, not your wardrobe. Try a walk, journaling, or calling a friend instead of swiping your card. One unexpected car repair or medical bill, and you're back to square one. Start small, aim for $500 to $1,000. It won't solve everything, but it'll keep life's curveballs from turning into credit card debt. Your friends are booking weekend trips and eating out 5 nights a week. Cool for them, but their finances aren't your responsibility. Run your own race. Quiet wealth beats loud debt. If you spent 10 minutes a day learning about money instead of scrolling TikTok, you'd be surprised where you'd be a year from now. You don't have to be an expert, but you do have to care. It's just $5 here, $12 there, until your bank account is screaming for help. Small leaks sink big ships. Audit your little daily splurges. If you don't tell your money where to go, it'll wander off like a toddler in a toy store. Start simple. Income minus expenses. Don't overthink it, just be honest with yourself. Newsflash, there's no perfect time. If you're waiting for a raise, a bonus, or the stars to align, you'll be waiting forever. Start messy, start small, but just start. Look, no one accidentally becomes debt-free. It takes action. Which one of these habits are you breaking starting today? Drop it in the comments. Stop letting debt control your life. You've got this. And if you're ready to finally take control of your money, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.